Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we practice shoulder opening. So you need one strap. Everyone take a strap. Then we start our practice. Okay, so continue start. Sit in lotus posture and you can sit in any comfortable position. Then interlock your finger. Inhale, try to stretch your body upside. Body and arms try to one line and stretch up maximum. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up. Stretch up as much as possible. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your hand. One time more, interlock your finger forward side and inhale, arms try to back side as much as you can. Exhale, relax your hand. I turn this side, then you can see easily how much arms can go back. Interlock your finger, inhale, try to arms back. Look forward, continue, arms try to back maximum. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, try to arms back. Exhale, relax. Inhale, try to arms back. Exhale, relax. Last time, inhale, try to arms back. Arms continue back side, then start to bend your elbow. Elbow continue push back side. Exhale, try to push back, continue. Inhale, try to stretch up. Arms back maximum. Exhale, try to bend your elbow and push your arms, continue back side. Inhale, try to stretch up. Exhale, bend your elbow. Your arms continue push back side and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, try to stretch up, stretch maximum and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your hand. Continue, interlock your finger back side. Inhale, try to stretch your arms. Arms try to up maximum. Exhale, relax. And if possible, then try to rotate your wrist. You can see very clearly. Try to rotate your wrist from downside. This position you need check very clear. Then try to stretch your arms up. Exhale, relax. When you rotate, you not rotate from upside. If you rotate from up, then you can't lift your arms maximum. So always rotate wrist from down. Downside have little difficult, but you try to rotate from down. Then arms try to up as much as you can. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, try to stretch. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, try to stretch up as much as you can and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax. Continue forward side. Inhale, stretch your arms upside. Stretch up maximum. Bend your left elbow. You move forward, then you can see. Bend your left elbow. Your elbow back side of head. Catch your elbow through the right palm. Then try to stretch more. Your elbow come outside of head. Back side also okay, but you try how much you can. Then slowly try to stretch your side body also and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center, change your hand and continue same position. Try to stretch maximum. Your elbow come back side of head and if possible then outside of head. Then slowly try to stretch. 5. Face continue forward side, not down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center, relax your hand, interlock your finger back side and then go forward. Exhale, your chest and chin on the floor. Go forward, your chest and chin on the floor. Then rotate your wrist and stretch your arms. Stretch maximum and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Inhale, come center. One time more. First lift your arms shoulder level. I move this side, continue. Then you can see back side also. And exhale, joint your palm in front of your exhale, joint your palm center of shoulder plate. Try to arms up and finger come between your shoulder plate. Open your shoulder also, look forward. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, bend your elbow, try to close your finger. Finger come between your shoulder plate. Open your elbow also. One time more. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, joint your palm between your shoulder plate. Open your elbow also, maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your left arms up. Then clasp your palm back side. Catch your finger. Face forward side and elbow back side of head. Maintain. Spine continue straight. Your upper elbow continue back side of head. Back side of head. Then catch. Look forward, continue, maintain. 5. If you can't catch, then use a strap and continue. If you can't catch, then you use a strap and continue. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go forward, exhale, try to forehead on the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, sit down and open your arms shoulder level. Same position, repeat other side. Lift your right arms upside, then clasp your palm back side. Catch your finger, your right elbow back side of head. Spine straight, look forward, maintain in final position. If you can't catch, then use strap and continue, come in final position. Elbow continue back side of head and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go forward and forehead try to on the floor. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Relax your hand and try to little rotate your shoulder. Normal rotation. Opposite direction also. Relax. Continue next position. I move this side. Again lift your both arms upside. Catch your left elbow through the right hand. Then slowly your left arms down, right elbow going back side of head and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your hand and continue. Right arms down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Relax your hand. Now we practice one more posture. First I show you without a strap, then strap. Close your elbow back side of head and try to bend your elbow. If you can do this, then when you do back bending, just like Raj Kapotasana or any back bend, then your arms always going back side. If you can't close your elbow, then you elbow go back like and palm not reach fastly on floor. So always try to close your elbow, then you can length your arms maximum and easily your palm reach on floor. So continue. First close your elbow, then try to bend. I use a strap. I so also with a strap. You see not have much gap. So also you also use like this. Then put your arms inside and lift your arms. Then slowly catch your elbow. Close your elbow. Continue and try to bend your elbow. Arms straight. Bend your elbow and arms straight. Continue 5 times. Exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight. Exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight. Exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight. Last time, exhale, bend your elbow. Inhale, arms straight and relax. Continue, we practice more little, but first you relax your shoulder. Rotate little. Now have little heavy rotation, heavy movement. Now ready. First you open this, take out this. Now we no need this. You have a strap, so make double this, fold from half, then catch in last position and inhale, arms back. Easily you can back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Close more. Inhale, back. Exhale. You try only how much you can. If you can't catch close, then little far also okay, but try continue back and forward. If you can close more, then you can close more. Continue back and forward. Try 5-6 times. Then we change posture. Okay, continue next, close more. Then try to arms back. You back only how much you can. Not try with you use your strength and try to arms back and broken your shoulder. Only try how much you can. Arms back maximum. If possible, then can rotate. And same up, 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 up. And if possible, then forward. Continue. Try how much you can. Continue back and forward. If easily you can, then close more. And now last time, open your arms only shoulder level. Then inhale, arms try to back as much as possible. Arms back maximum. Exhale, relax. Inhale, arms back. Exhale, relax. Inhale, arms back. Exhale, relax. Last time, inhale, arms back and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax. Same practice we do from back side also. Same shoulder level, catch back side. And inhale, try to arms up. If possible, you can rotate your wrist also. We already practiced for rotate. So try to stretch more up. Exhale, relax. Inhale, arms up, rotate your wrist, then try to up maximum. Exhale, relax. Inhale, try to arms up as much as possible. Exhale, relax. Inhale, arms up. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now we practice for shoulder rotation for Raj Kapotasana, Dhanurasana, and this type of all posture. So first catch little far, just little far, and then arms up, bend your right elbow, then try to arms back, and again same, right elbow bend and arms forward. Again this time left side, bend your left elbow and back, bend your left elbow forward. Easy. Continue, try 5, 6 times. Bend your right elbow back, bend your right elbow forward, bend your left elbow back, bend your left elbow forward. 1 time more. Right elbow bend back, right elbow bend forward, left elbow bend back, left elbow bend forward. Now next, you can close little more and try to bend your both elbow. First bend your right elbow, then your left elbow going back side. Look, left elbow going back, strap going back side, your strap going back side, and easily can rotate. If anybody can't rotate, look from back side also. Bend both elbow, bend this elbow inside, this elbow outside, bend and try to up. Second side, same position. First this move here and then bend elbow and easily can on floor. Same bend and up. Can close more also. Bend your elbow and down. Bend forward. You can see from back side also, and continue the practice together. Get strap, bend your elbow, strap back side, relax, forward. Second side, bend, and relax, forward. One time more, bend, relax, forward. Same bend, relax, forward. Okay, relax. Next, one more practice. Catch your strap, same like Gomukhasana. Catch back side, catch a strap. Continue, I move back side, then easily you can see. Catch, same like Gomukhasana. You can catch close also. Then your upper elbow, right elbow down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Continue. Second side. Stretch maximum upside. And same. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, relax. Continue next practice for Dhanurasana also and rotation also. Catch and try to stretch your down arms. Lift your upper arms more up. Upper arms try to up maximum and your finger try to touch your ear. So stretch up maximum. Stretch up, continue. Exhale down. Try to stretch down side. Your upper arms going down maximum. Upper arms going down maximum. Inhale up. Stretch up. Up as much as possible. Try to up more. Little more up. Exhale down. Down maximum. Try to more down. More little. Stretch up. Stretch up maximum. Maximum stretch. And relax. Second side, same position. Try to stretch up. Stretch up. Stretch up maximum. Little more. Try more little. Exhale down. Down as much as possible. More down. More down. Down more. Inhale, stretch up. Try to stretch up maximum. Stretch more. More stretch. Exhale down. Down maximum. Try more. More try. More. Last time. Inhale, stretch up. Stretch up maximum. Little more. More little. And relax. I hope you all are understand. First relax little. If you practice this all posture, I am sure you can rotate in any posture. You can rotate your shoulder in any posture, just Dhanurasana, in Rajkapotasana and Birbhadrasana also you can rotate. Any posture you can rotate. And you feel strength also in arms, and if you feel pain when you rotate anything in shoulder, then you can relax that pain also. I hope you all are understand very clearly shoulder opening class. And if have any confusion, same like before, you comment in comment box, and if I feel I need make one more video of this, then I can make. And if anybody want to learn online yoga class, then please contact in contact number have in everything in this description box. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Namaste.